Hey players, it's Santa here from Blackside Gel Ball. To get into the Christmas spirit, we're going to offer you a sneak peek to one of our exclusive game modes, Tinsel Tussle. In Tinsel Tussle, both teams will scour the field, fighting each other, looking for their Christmas tree decorations. You will need to find some tinsel, balls, and your star topper for your Christmas tree. Take them all back to your team spawn, decorate your Christmas tree, and then yell, "Merry Christmas!" As an added bonus, we'll be teaming up with Optac for their 3-year anniversary. During our Christmas sessions, we will be doing a gear giveaway sponsored by Optac. So book your tickets quickly and we'll catch you in our sites soon.